Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you watched my announcement video, then you know that I've recently started a YouTube channel named Robotics Automate Academy. So today's video's objective is to learn what is programming and what are benefits of learning it. Because before we get into programming, you must know what is programming, why programming is important, and what are the benefits of learning it. So this video is divided into two parts. The two parts are what is programming and what are the benefits of learning it. So guys, without wasting any much time, let's get into it. But before that, do hit that subscribe button and like my channel, like my videos, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. This will be provided at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. Let's get started. There are two parts of this video. In the first part, I will teach you what is programming, and in the second part, I will teach you what are the benefits of learning programming. So first of all, we will learn what is programming and get in depth of what is programming. So basically what programming is used to tell an electronic device to complete a task or set of tasks. Like you're kind of assigning the device to accomplish a task, but without programming, every electronic device is just an object like toys. So as you see the images here, they are images of mobile phones and computers which you use every day. And but you do notice something, and it's that without programming nothing is possible. Like you play games, you use social media to communicate with with others virtually, but without programming nothing is possible. But why programming is important? The reason is since technology is becoming advanced and it's going to keep advancing as time passes. Since there is a lot of electronic technology nowadays, programming is becoming popular and important. And as you already know that every electronic technology requires programming, and nowadays there are like lots of electronic technology around us. Almost everyone uses it. That's why programming is becoming very important to learn. And my next point is programming is a language to communicate with the device, and I will just get into the in-depth of that. What does it mean? But first of all, you need to understand what is natural language and what is machine language. Because if you don't understand this, then you will not understand what is programming. So now we will first learn what is natural language. So basically it's we humans use it to communicate with other human beings. It's a language we understand. So basically it's your mother tongue. For example, English. You use English every day to speak with others. And other examples are Spanish, French, uh, German, and other languages. And so this is the image showing the example. It's a random paragraph and showing example which natural language is simple English, or just a simple language that you use every day. Now, what is a machine language or machine code? So it's basically a language that an electronic device uses to perform a task or a set of tasks, and because it's a language that the device understands. And this is the example of machine code. And if you know math very well, then you should probably know that this is binary code. And you should also know that binary code consists of only two numbers, 1 and 0, no other numbers. But the main gist of learning what is natural language and what is machine code is that devices don't understand natural language, and humans can learn or understand machine language because it is very complex and hard. But there is a solution to this, and you should already know it. It's the invention of programming. Programming languages were invented because it's a language that we humans and the electronic devices understand. For example, take it as the programming language is a bridge that connects the two worlds known as humans and electronic devices. So this is the process. Since programming language and natural language is very similar, so it's easy for humans to learn it. So first you write the program, it goes, just kind of travels to the computer, and the computer also understand the machine code and programming language, but the computer cannot run the programming in programming language. So it converts programming language into machine code because the computer understands it and then runs the program. That's why the the invention of programming was very important. So now we will learn the second part of this video. And if you already don't know what is the second part of the video, it's benefits of programming, or what are the benefits of learning it. So the first benefit is coding and programming careers have great earning potential. So let's say if you're a web developer, you would get it $74,000 approximately. If you're a network and computer systems administrator, you would get $84,000. If you are a computer programmer, you would get $87,000. If you're a database administrator, you would get $94,000. Or if you're a software developer, you would get $107,000. So these are just average prices. If you have more skills, then you can earn a lot more money than this. The second benefit is tech is everywhere. So for example, take this robot vacuum. So if you have one, then you know that you just click some button and the robot vacuum will clean your house while you sit and relax, instead of using the manual vacuum and wasting your precious time. The second example is self-driving cars. You just give the car your destination and the car will drive you there while you enjoy your ride. Another example is robots. Robots are everywhere nowadays and they are used for multiple things, like cooking, cleaning, making items like mobile phones, computers, and etc. Like tech is everywhere. Like you can see it everywhere now. You can see it in your house, in your school, in your office, like almost everywhere you go. The second benefit, the another benefit is versatility is key. In today's tech-heavy world, the more skills you have, the better. Let's say you are an expert in one thing while also you are expert in another thing. Each of these skills makes you that much more attractive and indispensable to clients and employers. The more skills you have, the more doors will open, and coding is the skeleton key you will want to have in your back pocket for all of them. The second benefit is programming helps you solve problems. Let's say you are given a situation and you have to write a program to solve it. For example, you are given a situation like a user will be asked to enter any two randoms numbers, then they will be asked to do they want to add those numbers, subtract it, multiply it, or divide it. Based on their choice, you give the user their answer. So this is a problem and you have to solve it by writing a program. This will increase your problem solving skills, and also these skills are even useful in the real life. So guys, this is it for today. Please do hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.